Yes. Let's see. Tata Consultancy. Yes. Uh, okay. Now, if you see, it has pumped up. Now, we'll wait for this candle to close. Okay. That time when we were going for a sell, the reason was the big wig that was forming. Okay. But now it's not like that. If you see, all other stocks are picking up. See, if you see, every other stock was below 2%, but now Wipro is sorry, TCS itself is above 4%, and all other stocks are picking up for that. But but still in this scenario also, I would like to sell somewhere whenever I have a good selling scenario. Okay, now we'll go to the stocks which we had listed down, and then what happened to them. We'll see what happened to Apollo Hospitals. It opened some 5 points gap up, went up, formed a wig, formed a lower wig also. Both sides it went up and down. Now, in normal case, if anyone says that this capturing of this position is very difficult, am I right?
Yes.
Taking this
Sure.
position in this short period of time is, I mean, you cannot decide what you have to do. So in that case, what you can do is take very small quantity if you are very sure. Take a small target also, and small SL if you are not very sure, but still you sorry, not very sure, no, if you are sure but the experience which you have is very less on this. On that scenario, what you can do is you can sit and trade on like this. You can say, okay, I'll take a small quantity. For example, if Kishore trades in 100 quantity, so what in that case, what he can do, he'll take 25. He'll take a small SL, he'll take a small target, and then let it hit. And once the target is hit, and then once price action is made, and then after that he can buy. Getting my point? Now if you see M&M, it made a good negative candle, and now it's showing that it will break again. So in this scenario, what I will do is I'll buy with small targets. Reason, if you see, there is a trend line which yesterday I had shown that there is a trend line that was being formed. So first position which I'll add is at this level, and then second position will be around 609, which I had suggested. Then this is called as pyramiding. Okay, this is the general which we will be having in our intermediate session, but still I'm telling you that uh, did anyone try averaging? What averaging? You have any idea what is averaging? Okay, so what generally traders do is, as you guys are very new, so you might not know it. Over the period of time, what you will do, what even you will do is, if you buy something at a price, and then if you see that this you had brought it at 600. Okay, okay, if you had brought it at 600, and then if you see after that it is going at 590, but your SL was 590. What you will do, you will modify SL to 575, and you will add 100 more quantities in that. You had taken 100 quantities at 600, and at 590 also you will take 100 more quantities, thinking that your average price will become 595, and when it goes up, it will give you good returns. You'll think that anyway it is going up, so I will average here. Understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so in pyramiding we do it in opposite way. Whenever the position is going in our way, Kishore, you have experienced this, at least I know. Whenever the position is going in our way, what we do, we add few more quantities. Because our analysis is working good, we'll add few more quantities. What I said, at 610, around when it was 610, what I told, I'll buy it here. 609 again I'll buy, and I'll leave until some more target. So what happened? 610 I got, 69 I got. It went till 68. Now chances are that it will again still come down. Until then, I will keep adding my positions, or else I'll just hold my SL, and I'll keep trailing it. Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
That's it from my end. Any other questions? No questions?
No, nothing from my end.
Okay, then we'll close this. Maybe again we'll
No,
meet soon.
just one. So what do you think of M&M? So M&M अभी charts खोला है, ठीक है?
Hmm.
So I mean, obviously it's going down. I mean, as you expected.
Hmm.
हाँ?
Hmm.
तो अभी के लिए तो sellers are most, ठीक है?
Hmm.
And as you mentioned, I mean, our SL will be 615.
Hmm.
तो uh,
Now one more
usually
point.
क्या होता है ना when we हाँ
One more point.
हम्म
Open इधर हुआ. What we were expecting, we will buy here, or when it opens nearby 611 or 610. What happened? It opened 5 points above. So people who have sold here
हम्म
have already got around 6 rupees. Usually, what you do, you remove after 6 rupees of your profit, at least when you are new, if I'm not wrong, right?
around
Yes, we
5 to
try to
6
keep it.
rupees.
So
That's
when
it.
you are taking here,
Mostly we
yes,
do that.
I'm not telling don't take a position. If you're taking, reduce the quantity because people have got already a profit.
Uh-huh.
See, this is no rocket science. I and you both were seeing the same chart. We were discussing how we will work. It worked like that. It's very
Mm-hmm.
simple. It's We have to just decide how we have to trade. Until and unless we have a plan to trade, we will not able to execute it.
Yeah.
See, for me, you know that I will plan at least this stock tomorrow I have to trade, and if it works that way, yes. Now, if you see, normally what we'll say, entry will be here, SL will be here, and like that. But as a trader, you should be ready for uncertainties. What can happen? So it opened gap up. Then my plan will be okay. So from here, what can happen? It is breaking a trend line. It can go up. So here, what was the trend line? What else pattern it is forming? So in a very short period of time, you have to take decisions, and that you will learn over the period of time.
Mm-hmm.
But yes, in these kind of
Mm.
scenarios, when you are sure that it will go down, I will not suggest you when you are new. Not I'll not suggest to take 100 quantities. I mean, for example, if you're taking 100 quantities, usually I'll not suggest you to take 100 quantities. At least reduce it to 50% or 25% until unless you are very much confident about your trades.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Got my point? Any other questions?
Yeah. So usually with the gap up, okay.
Yes.
क्या होता है at least 10 points 15 points so sometimes it I mean opens above our price
Hmm.
and
Depends
sometimes
which
क्या होता
stock.
है it comes back okay
Hmm.
it yeah I mean sometimes it comes back to our price
Hmm.
and at that time we buy it
Hmm.
but उसके बाद दो opposite move में ही चले जाते हैं जैसे
Correct
I
ना?
mean from top it came back हाँ
हाँ, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी कुछ लोगों को पैसा यहाँ मिल रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अब what we will do, we'll take an example of this. For example, if you keep M&M at this level to buy, you had kept it for buy. Okay, what happened? It opened up, went up. Your level was somewhere here. Okay, okay,
hmm.
or else we'll keep it somewhere here. Okay, what happened? Next candle it came nearby, it went up. Again it came nearby, it went up. What you did not take trades here. What you will do, you will take trade next time when it touches perfectly the level. What happens? It will give a sharp down move and then it might recover, because already many people are getting profits. You have to see how many people are getting profits at that stage.
Hmm.
See, now we'll see Apollo, what it did. What happened in Apollo? It opened gap down. There's something wrong with this chart or what? Okay, it opened little high. Okay, for us our plan was to sell. It gave us a selling move. 10-20 points was our plan, and it gave us that. So why will I worry? Now it is going up. I'll not worry about what it is doing now. My only plan will be for first session. If you see, my most of the trades were which I execute is only in 5-10 minutes only. I'll finish. After that also I trade, but then I will have a keen look on market how it is behaving.
Why?
Then
I mean, previous days analysis. I mean,
it helps
usually it
everywhere.
will be for first
No, no,
15,
no, no,
20 minutes. I
no,
mean,
no, no, no.
usually it moves accordingly, right?
First 15 minutes will be, see, previous day's analysis will be, yes, you are telling for first 15 minutes, but it will also help you in whole day, because you will already realize that tomorrow what you will do. For example, if you see, as I told, Bajaj Finance, okay, Bajaj Finance, sorry, Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto, what was our plan? I told it will come down. Okay, right. I had not seen chart. I was in front of you, right? I had not seen any chart. It opened gap up. Okay.
Yeah.
Now at this stage, what I had planned, it will come down. What it did, it came down. So what we, for example, I if this was not in my selling list yesterday, in my, I mean, in my YouTube video, but when I do my analysis, I'll write it down that okay, this is one stock which I have to watch out for also. For you guys, I provide a high probability ones, but I don't say this was not high probability, but here the risk is involved. For example, if you see, market came down, it went up again, it opened gap up. Okay, at this stage, as a new trader, what you will do is you'll go and buy. No, you'll not sell at this stage. And what happens, you'll keep a little big SL, because 3000, if you see, it is opened about 3000 level. So what you will think, it is opened about 3000, it will go up only. And with that kind of psychology, we tend to lose money.
Yes.
Got my point?